Hi everyone! We all love Roman Szmal watercolors, right? I, for one, love them for their earth colors because there is such a variety and the ones I love are texturally unique, in my opinion at least. Some of you may know I've recently put up my stash of art supplies for sale, and in order to know what I wanted to keep, I had to swatch some colors. While doing so, I came across the same issue with 3 colors: Gothite, Italian Burnt Sienna, and Caput Mortuum. I haven't painted with these 3 colors for about 1 to 2 years maybe? Even though Roman Szmal watercolors contain honey, they've thoroughly dried up. When I went to re-wet them, the paint behaved like how a low tinting color would. But I knew when I first got these, they were much higher tinting than that. For those of you who don't yet already know, compared to other colors, earth colors tend to be a little more thirsty. So I figured I'd let it soak, rehydrate, reactivate. It usually doesn't take all that long, but for this one, 10 minutes go by and still no change. It took me almost half an hour for it to be able to return to that high tinting color that it once was. But even then, the rehydrated paint sort of flaked off into pieces. So make sure you mix them back thoroughly before using them to paint, otherwise you might get flecks of undissolved particles. I just wanted to put this information out there in case anyone already has Roman Szmal paints or are looking to purchase some. I wouldn't say it's a complete flaw. I doubt this would have occurred if I had just painted with the colors regularly. The lack of use was probably the main reason why they dried up so much to the point of needing so much water and so much more time to reactivate. If anyone has similar experiences like this with other colors within the Roman Szmal brand or from other brands, please let us know down below and share our experiences. Alright, that's all I have to share for today. As always, thank you so much for watching everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.